Welcome to Madhya Pradesh, one of India's fastest growing state and investment destination. Being situated in the heart of India, the location advantage is unmatched. Bhopal, the cleanest capital city of India, is home to superb healthcare, education and entertainment facilities. Many central eminent prestigious institutions like Maulana Azad National Institution of Technology, National Law Institute University, National Institute of Designing, IIFM, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, and National Institute of Fashion Technology are situated in Bhopal. Industrial area Mohasa Babai is situated in Hoshangabad district near the holy river Narmada. The site is situated nearby State Highway 22. The site is located in the agriculture-rich district of Hoshangabad. The district is well known for wheat, rice, pulses and soybean production. Industrial area Mohasa Babai has been developed by Madhya Pradesh Industrial Development Corporation Limited as a multi-product park in an area of 680 hectares. The industrial area has excellent connectivity via rail and road network. It is situated near Itarsi, 22 kilometers, which is one of India's busiest junctions and connected to all parts of India. This provides a logistical advantage to industries. It is connected to ICD Mandideep by direct rail link and private sector container depot at Pawarkheda, 20 kilometers. Mohasa Babai has excellent industrial infrastructure like 4-lane cement concrete approach and internal road network. Dedicated 24/7 power supply with 132 kV, 33 kV substation, dedicated water supply, 5 MGD from Narmada River, storm water drainage, sewage treatment plant, sewage line, utility duct, parking area, administrative complex and staff quarters. Industrial area Mohasa Babai is covered by double road chain link fencing along with plantation. The site is 17 kilometers from district headquarters Hoshangabad. The park has already attracted Messrs Hindustan Coca-Cola Limited, which has acquired 110 acres of land for their food processing and bottling facility. Mohasa Babai has access to well-developed industrial ecosystem on account of its proximity to industrial area Mandideep, 70 kilometers, which is home to 731 industries in multiple sectors. Key prominent industries are Vardhaman Yarns, HEG Limited, Procter & Gamble, Lupin Limited, Crompton Greaves Limited, Tafe Motors Limited, Dawat Foods Limited, Harshi India Private Limited, etc. This multi-product industrial area is most preferred estate for industries like food processing, textile, pharmaceutical, warehousing, etc. MPIDC invites you to become a part of this journey towards growth and prosperity. Fully developed plots are ready for allotment on concessional rates with 99 years lease. Online allotment has been started.